For the past 4 years, if you were looking for a legitimate Windows alternative to the MacBook Air, you were out of luck. Ever since Apple launched their M1 chip, no one could match its build quality, battery life, and performance. That is, until now. Meet the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X Elite chip. This device offers impressive performance and a beautifully designed build, making it a strong contender in the market. The Snapdragon X Elite chip not only competes with, but sometimes surpasses Intel and AMD's current offerings, and it sits comfortably between Apple's M3 and M3 Pro chips in terms of performance. While native ARM apps run best, even x86 apps perform well, with only a minor penalty. Although it's not a gaming laptop, the Yoga Slim 7X can handle light gaming at playable frame rates, making it a versatile choice for casual gamers. This laptop is built to last, with a sturdy design that weighs just 1.28 kg, only slightly heavier than the MacBook Air. Despite its lightweight, it packs a massive 70 watt-hour battery, providing exceptional battery life, the best I've seen in a 14-inch laptop. The Yoga Slim 7X features a stunning 14.5-inch OLED panel. It's bright, responsive, and calibrated right out of the box, outperforming the MacBook Air's display and even challenging the MacBook Pro. Lenovo's known for their excellent keyboards, and this one is no exception. It's comfortable, responsive, and lacks a number pad, which I prefer. Plus, you get all the ports you need for connecting multiple monitors and upgrading storage. Now, let's talk about Windows Copilot Plus. Thanks to the Snapdragon X Elite's NPU, you get features like Co-Creator in Paint for augmenting drawings, real-time translation for videos and calls, and cool studio effects for your camera. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a standout device, offering excellent performance, build quality, and innovative features at a competitive price. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.